rain is nice, but I don't really like getting wet. What in the world? No, I went under the awning. It's still raining. Why is it still raining? I did what I was supposed to. That's not fair.
Wise one.
Welcome to the 90s.
What happened? I don't know. What's up? No, you need help. You need help. You need help. What's help? Do you want help?